explaining like how the midsection works, because she said, oh, I gain all my weight in the midsection. Well, that's what happens in diseases like diabetes. These are energetic diseases. What happens is we lose extremity blood flow, circulation, and energy. That's why a lot of diabetics have to get their, some people, they don't even know that parts of their feet have died off, like a brown leaf on a plant, have to get their foot and their toes amputated. We lose circulation into the tips of our fingers, our hands, and so when you're regaining that, when you're putting on muscle, you're regaining the blood flow. You're drawing the blood flow out from the center, because when the body is stressed, again, why do we gain weight in that center? Because that's where your vital organs are. Your body is so smart, it's intelligent, it's always trying to save you and preserve you in a stressful situation. So it will just put all the blood flow, right, all the healthy moving blood. And that's true, like all of our blood, all the nutrients, that's how oxygen and nutrients gets around in the body, through the blood. That's how we signal to our hormones what's going on. Our hormones are kind of like, our cells are looking out into the bloodstream, and they're trying to get a sense and a feel for what's going on in the blood. Like, is the sugar really high? Well, we need to release insulin to bring it into the cell, right? Is the sugar low? Well, we need to release glucagon to put break some down, some fat stores, and to release some blood sugar. The body's always working behind the scenes. What is going on behind the scenes? But it's intelligent. Like, it will put all the blood flow, all the nutrients towards our midsection, and we will lose blood flow out to the extremities of the body. So that's what I was talking about with the girlie I was with this morning. And it's just like, your body is so intelligent. Again, over and over and over, your beauty, just, you don't have to try to be beautiful. You don't have to try to be intelligent. You just are. Like, you're a work of art. Like, trillions of these cells, say so. And it's incredible. Like, if you start giving your body like plenty of the amino and the fatty acids, they're essential in our diet, it's amazing like how much energy you could have in your body. And helping to break that down through the exercise and the sunlight exposure, like, it's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I just had this moment of crazy deja vu. I don't know what that's about, but it's all about light. It's all about how much energy can I produce in my cell. And we don't want to have like, oh my gosh, I almost forgot about this. Oh, thank you for reminding me. My sister had bought me a bouquet of flowers, like, I don't even know, maybe 2 weeks ago now, but look at them. They're kind of like wilted and dead, right? And this would essentially, like, a lot of us have, like, we have these energy crisis in our body. Like, diabetes is an energetic disease. We have neurological diseases, and it's like our cells, like half of our cells really just look like this. They lack the vibrancy and the life in them. They're rigid, they're stiff. Like if, again, I always use this example, but going to like an open casket funeral, that person is rigid and stiff. As the body, as we get older, we lose collagen, we get rigid and stiff. Where does collagen come from? Amino and fatty acids. Keep eating the keys to your success, the keys to light, because you don't want to get rigid. And also on that note, if you're working out and if you're working out and you still have pain and you're becoming more stiff in your body, like, I urge you to listen to your symptoms. Your body's asking you to like have a different approach, to incorporate some movements where you're actually feeling your body, drop the weight if you need to, and feel into that stress, that relaxation and contraction part of what you're actually doing. If you're lifting weights, or doing whatever, maybe you just take a week of just like, I'm gonna go do 10 to 20,000 steps a day. Like, switch up your routine, give your body something different, go out in the sun so you can build up some vitamin D. So yeah, I just remembered that. But a lot of us have those dead cells in our body, and it's like how our body's meant to, our cells have this beautiful built-in mechanisms. And I don't know, I'm still learning. I feel like I've been learning about this forever, but I know one of the, like, the lysosome is like, we have little Pac-Man in the cell. And so if things are dead, they're not operating properly, our body is so smart, it can actually go and clear out things that aren't working and upgrade you. You know what I'm saying? So like, the body is always capable of healing no matter where you are. To end on that quote that I love, that I read the other day, because it's right in front of me. May you always be blessed with the clarity to know what is and what isn't meant for you. I hope that you always have the clarity to know when your body tenses up, to an invitation, or tenses up to a food, or someone you're around, the environment, like listen to that. Listen to your intuition, because it's guiding you. When you feel grounded and you feel excited and joyous and creative in people's presence and what you're doing, then that means that you're in the right place. Your body is so intelligent. It's always telling you things. I'm trying to listen to my own, so don't you worry. I am just trying to take my own advice as well. But if you found this video helpful at all, which I hope that you do, you can like, share it, or subscribe. And as always, I just wish you the best of luck.